Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to easily find your Mac model. Whether you need to know for updating your operating system, troubleshooting issues, or simply out of curiosity, identifying your Mac model is a crucial first step. It's easier than you might think. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tips and tricks on all things Apple. Okay, let's get started. There are actually a few different ways to find your Mac model, so we'll cover the most straightforward ones. Method 1. Using About This Mac. This is the easiest and most common way. 1. Go to the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. That's the little Apple icon. 2. Click on About This Mac. 3. A window will pop up. Right there at the top, you'll see the model name, like MacBook Pro, 13-inch, M1, 2020, or iMac 27-inch, late 2015. This gives you the general information. Now, sometimes you might need more specific details, especially if you're trying to find compatible parts or drivers. In that case, we'll use the serial number. Method 2. Finding the serial number and using Apple's website. This method gives you even more detailed info. 1. Again, go to the Apple menu and click About This Mac. 2. In the About This Mac window, click on the System Report button. 3. A new window called System Information will appear. In the left sidebar, make sure Hardware is selected. 4. On the right side, you'll see a lot of information. Look for Serial Number. Copy this number. Command+C usually works. 5. Now go to your web browser and navigate to Apple's Check Coverage website. You can just search for Apple Check Coverage on Google. 6. On the Apple Check Coverage page, paste the serial number you copied into the text box and enter the security code shown on the page. Then click Continue. 7. This page will then display detailed information about your Mac, including the exact model, purchase date, and coverage status. It's really handy. Method 3. Physical Inspection, for older Macs. This method is for those with older Macs, especially desktop models. The model number might be printed on the exterior. 1. For iMacs*, look for a small text printed on the underside of the footstand. You might need to tilt the iMac to see it clearly. 2. For Mac Mini*, the model number is usually printed on the bottom of the Mac Mini. 3. For Mac Pro*, check the back panel of the Mac Pro for the model number. So there you have it. 3 easy ways to find your Mac model. Whether it's through About This Mac, using the serial number on Apple's website, or physically inspecting your machine, you now have the knowledge to identify your Mac with ease. I hope this video was helpful. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Rome Tips for more awesome Apple tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which method worked best for you. Thanks for watching.